fine now? Background music is controlled again. I'm sorry, I didn't check that out. Is it fine now? Is it okay? Can you guys hear me? I'm really sorry here. Because I was creating some videos yesterday, I think the whole setting was at that. Hello? Can you guys hear me now? Because I was creating some videos yesterday, I think tomorrow onwards, first day. Hello? First thing probably I should remove, I should check out. Can you guys hear me now? Whether I am on, my mic is working. Is it working now? Can you guys hear me? Hello? There is some challenge always. Hello? First thing probably I should remove, I should check out. Can you guys hear me now? Whether I am on, my mic is working. Is it working now? Can you guys hear me? Is it audible now? Hello? 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 Okay, thanks. Okay, so I don't know how much, I think most of it must have been missed. I was talking about market starting. So market is around 81 points up. I was setting up the markers. So 934 will be the first resistance, and somewhere around 750 we may get support today. So now market is already hitting the yesterday's high. So that is why the see, if you exactly it went to yesterday's high for 832, and then from there it is coming down. So that is one of the main reason. In fact, it made 24,831.35 markers. That is our markers. So this call comes from kind of trend. If you start studying trend, you will know it is much easier for you to mark the highs and lows and supports and resistance. Good. That is one of the main reasons. In fact, it made 24,831.35 marker. That is our marker. So this all comes from kind of trend. If you start studying trend, you will know. Okay, now voice is very low. Now is it okay? Now is it okay? It should be okay now. Mic can't hear at all. Hello, is it okay now? I am now okay, fine. God, so I have every day this challenge with my mic. Okay, fine. So I think the market exactly touched the previous day high. That is the reason I keep making this previous day high markers. It went to exactly to that, 832, 831.60 or something like that. From there it is returning. So, but at least it is in positive mode, and it is kind of holding on. Let us see, where it settles down. So it is just 3 minutes hold. All our indicators are in green shape only. So not even first 5 minutes. We will wait for 10 to first 15 minutes candle to be finished. That will kind of give us where it is happening. And in the first 15 minutes the price should not go below our yellow line. That's the most important, because if in first 10-15 minutes itself, if the price pierces down to yellow line, then it is a bigger challenge. It is holding on. It is trying to stay above 24,800, and we did see, I don't know, I think you people must have missed commentary at every level, 24,800, 24,900, and 25,000. There is 1:5, 1:6, and 1:10 ratio of call rating, meaning the option raters have clearly think the market will not even go beyond 24,800. In fact, for 24,800 itself, there is a 6-time call rating to the put rating. So what it requires is Nifty has to go above this 832 and around 840, then it can attempt to touch to 24,934. And since tomorrow is going to be the expiry, there is only a couple of days, we will watch the option writing today and then we will take a call. Now, ideally speaking, we could have taken a put at 24,832, but I don't want to do that because we have all 5 indicators in our AP Akshayapatra momentum indicator as green, all the 5. We have worked on this indicator more. We have added couple of other leading aspects to it also. But we will implement it because it's slightly more complicated than these 5 lines and green dot, because we wanted to combine couple of other aspects to give us an overall view of the momentum as well as trend of market. So this has taken quite a good amount of time to make the kind of package that it is, this momentum indicator. Somebody was asking me over the weekend in YouTube, asking me to explain this. I don't know whether that particular person is there or not. But still, let me kind of give a slight overview on the setup. So what we have here is on the bottom of the chart, we have volume, which talks about, if it is red means there are more sellers, if it is green means there are more buyers. Okay, so that is the net volume that it gives. These 5 indicators as on the back end, all typical indicators. See, nobody is going to invent a indicator like that, but it is only a combination of indicators like MACD, RSI, and mom dad crossovers, multiple things like that, and all that put together, it is saying which is green and which is. So if the everything is becoming green, and then you will get the green dot on the top. So that is the reason we always say, once it is above, the price is above, you are sitting on a call, please wait. Okay, that is one aspect. So this momentum indicator broadly gives us a leading view where the market is heading. Okay, that is one. This yellow line is slightly more complicated. That also has on the background certain aspects which makes it tries to, it is a combination of averages only. It tries to give you a view whether the price is above that and below that. So as long as once it below, there tends to be, it is basically on supply and demand zone, it takes care of that also. That is why whenever it goes below, you can see here how much further it has gone down. If somebody has taken a shot here at 24,901, okay, which is on September 4th, and he could have simply ride, okay, then keep this as a stop loss. And now if you have taken a future shot from here, you could have come all the way here to 24,600, which is 300 points. So the setup is like that. And we have volume, and we have leading and lagging indicators, and then some moving areas. All put together is the setup. Let us see. First, Nifty will struggle to take this yesterday's high. It will between these two, that is 750 and 832. It is likely to play the game. Let us wait for the 15 minutes candle to end. Then we will know. So I think we have somebody new, Vipassana meditation. Is somebody new? Hi. Now is it audio, everything is okay, music is low? So I think you have to bear with me for next 2 weeks. I am out of my regular setup in Chennai. So currently I am in Cochin. So I have some challenges, technical challenges here, both on system side as well as on the setup side. Now is it completely okay, Anand? Both, I mean, you are able to hear clearly, correct? So I get all these different names. No, their Heidi and us. It makes difficult. No, there is one SS. So I like to know Vipassana meditation and SS from which part of country you are joining us. How to get automation? Say how to call you? Shall I call you Vipassana itself? I don't know, because if you provide me the name, it will be easy for us to. Okay, thanks, Anand. If you give me your name, it will be easy for us to talk. Vipassana meditation. If you don't want to reveal your correct name, you can give me any fancy name also. I'm fine with that. See, let me explain how normally automation works. Vineet, okay. Vineet, the automation works like this. TradingView has got inherent strength to send alerts. No, anybody who has opened a TradingView, they will know. You need in between a platform between your demat account and TradingView, so that this alert can get interpreted by that platform and it sends us an order. So, and for that you need to have strategies and you need to have understanding of TradingView coding. Then you can automate, or you can write from externally another language called Python. From Python also you can write, and there are certain I think 0pi, I don't know, I think one of the other demat accounts, they also provide a lot of strategies, but all those are all ready made fixed. It's like instant coffee. Okay, everybody buys that instant coffee, and for everybody it is the same taste. Okay, and they are all has to be improved upon. So you need to have these three components. One is that you should have some understanding how to make the coding, get it done, and then you need to have an intermediary platform, and that platform will send you, will kind of process the orders to your demat account. For more, no, actually we do that. We do automation for our customers, and we can kind of we have strategies in place, and our Telegram channel in which we publish our results also. Especially of late, we are now focusing on gold also. Gold we are trying to automate. Gold we have a very good successful strategy which can be automated in a day for anybody, but that is making slightly more than number of trades that than we expect. So we are trying to kind of work on that. Meanwhile, Nifty is, as I said, is hanging between the yellow line and yesterday's high. Again, if it touches around yellow line, no, since our this thing is positive, we can look for some call, because with a stop loss, if Nifty goes below our yellow line, we will close that. We can have that. Let us see. That would be 24,700 call, which is at 132 rupees. Price wise, it looks good as of now, but it has to stay above 134. Sorry, it is crossing that. Now if it crosses and stays above 134, it can go to 170. It has to stay above 134. If the price looks good, 24,700 call. The stop loss is 122, so around 12 points. Oh, it's already crossing 142 now. as soon as I open my mouth, it is already crossed. Anyway, it can keep jumping down, it can keep coming back to that average. Anywhere, if as long as it stays above 135, it will touch 170. Now it is at 141. The first resistance for it will be that first target will be 160. You keep 168 as the target usually, because that is a pivot range. So that price will not touch 170. It will around 168, 169. It will retrace. As long as this 24,600, 700 call is above 135, you can enter into it with a stop loss to 122. Because number one, we have all our components in the momentum indicator is fully green, the volume is up, the price is above our yellow line, and the option price also has to be above 134. And again it is coming to 133, 134. Those, there will be again some retracement to 125. At that time you can buy, because 122 is the stop loss. The option price looks good, strong. Vineet, you have a strategy, or you want me to provide our strategy also? There are two things. See, so you need to give me that view. If you already have a strategy, then we can know, then there is some platform fee and our small service fee, we should be able to do it. But if you want to use our strategy, check the Telegram, because a strategy is, what we have is for an year, where we are not promising heavy returns and all that. We are only promising around 20 to 25% return, that's all, on a kind of 3 lakh investment. So you need to tell me what is it that you want. You want only technical support side of it, then you just call me, we can discuss that offline. And we do it on Fires basically, because that is the one of the cheap platform. Oh, okay, no problem. Vineet, you call me, okay? Then we will. My number is there in that chart on the top left. So after market hours, you call me, we will discuss. Where are you from, Vineet? You are from which area? So meanwhile, our price has already gone to 156, 157. So start increase, kind of change your this thing to, no, you keep it at 126 now. Okay, your stop loss is shifted to 126 now. So from 134 to 126, only 8 rupees will be lost, but this should touch 168, 169. If you have multiple lots, you at least square off some so that your cost will come down. As the Nifty approaches 832, this should be around 168, 169. Let's see. And then we will watch this price. Okay, so we will watch the Nifty price. If it stays above 832, then whatever option price at 24,832, below that, so now 5 or 6 rupees, you can keep the stop loss. You get my point? So from 135, it is already to 157 now. 158, 159, around 168, 169. There should be at least one red candle on the option price. and I keep saying this, those who are expecting lakhs and lakhs of profit etc and all, please don't come to this channel. This channel is only for those who are looking for small profits, chinna kallu. Okay, so it is crossing 160 now, 168, so 144, 135 to 168 will be around 35. So that should take care of our today's target of 2500 period. Then you can simply keep trailing. See, as long as the price is above this yellow line, even though it makes some red candles, you can hold. Okay, or wherever you think there's kind of, no, if you have multiple lots, huge number of lots, close some lots as soon as it comes to the resistance points which I mark, so that your cost will come down. Now in one go, suddenly it will try to cross 168 and then the price will stabilize there or drop down. If it crosses, because Nifty has to cross 834, 832. Let's see. $163 now. Nifty is at the threshold point. Patience. You need patience. See, again it is going near that 832. You need volume, but there is one slight warning red is coming here usually, because that is an indication that there can be again one more reversal from that point. But if the option price is kind of is strong only, you can shift the stop losses to 131 now. So 3 rupees stop loss only, it's okay. If you have multiple this thing, you can close some at 169. Now it should come any moment. Let's see. Oh, partner, fine. So you call me, मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ, so I can explain you क्या होगा कैसे होगा करके. Then because it's a slightly longer discussion. Nifty is trying to cross the yesterday's high. That's a good sign. Now it is already crossed 173. So the target is made from 135 to 168, 169. So the first this thing is clear now. First trade. You can now at some whatever the profit you feel you are comfortable, keep your stop losses and trail. The price is good. The option price is good, as well as the Nifty price structure is good. As long as now Nifty stays above 832, you can continue to hold this call. Okay. Now if it goes below 148, then the option price will become negative. Actually, if you have multiple, ideal is that 168, 169 you should sell and then you can buy again. That's also people do. Otherwise you can continue to hold. Let's see where the next candle is. In another 1 minute we will know whether Nifty will, the next candle will be above 832 or it will be below. If it is below, then again there will be one more retracement towards yellow line. See, the option price also exactly from 173 it has come down. So those who have already had a stop loss, I mean sale orders, they would have cleared. But still, if those who are having a slightly longer and kind of thing, they can continue to hold. You see the next candle, you take a call as soon as the next candle, whether it is above 832, you continue to hold. Otherwise, no, whatever is a good price, you exit, because the Nifty will come back to yellow line and we can buy once more at that time. But so whenever I give a target, so those who want to just enter and make that first target profits etc. should immediately put sale orders at that price. Okay, so that, and then because it will keep coming down and going up, so you can first book again when the next time it comes down, you can have it. For example, now it is around 940. If the next candle is starting above 833, then immediately you cancel your sale order and then have your stop losses at a higher level. That's it. It looks like the option price is strong. Our momentum indicator all green, including volume. It looks like that the next candle should be above 832. Let us see. It has already made a 838 high, because then it will blast. Then I will give you where the first target will be. From 170 it will be 209 and then it will be 242. That will be the target for this call. It's already again 171. It is above. First target will be around 207 now from here. So this is turning out to be a good trade. You can shift your stop losses to 132 now. So there is no loss, no gain. Multiple lots. As and when you feel you are comfortable with the profit, keep booking. Otherwise, hold. This candle has started above 832 bars. Good. So I think Nifty is in the mood to touch this point. That is 934. If it is touching 934, our option will be around 200, definitely about 200. Around it can be what 32 to 100 points, means it can go to even 242 today. Let us see if you are lucky. Now if the next candle is still above, then you can shift your stop losses to this profitable point of 168. Okay, so that if suddenly there is one swoop down comes, you won't be. Those who are with the ready with the system, keep your sale orders ready and then keep watching. This is the fourth candle above. Usually once it crosses above yellow line, it should make minimum 68 candles. My view is somewhere here around 900 there can be a reversal. Till that, if the next candle is again above 24,830, then this can go even to further level. So the second target of 206 will come into play, and then the next target of 240 also will come into play. If this next candle comes below this price, then it will go towards yellow line again. Okay, good. So let me note it down at least. So we had a good morning first trade. Now we have to wait for good trades like this. $24.60. Okay, around 9:30 I think I gave 30 a.m. at 134. First target 169. Second target is at 1 There is a minor resistance at 181 for this option price. So actually if it crosses 181, next it should be only 242. In between there should not be any stoppage. But now this is making a red candle. So like I said, in between it will make couple of red candles above the yellow line and then it will retrieve. Your actual stop loss, technically speaking, if you are not kind of, you can hold it till as long as the price is touching the yellow line. $242, $239, let me say. Okay, so this is achieved now. This itself what almost 35 points, around 2,500 rupees. I think we are made for the day. Now we have to wait how the market will behave and where it will go. Okay, so that was a good trade. I think because since you see the way our momentum indicator works. Okay, this first baseline green is that baseline, there is everything is fine, and there is one top red. Okay, you are getting on the next level, which is an indicator, and these are all leading indicators that there can be some trouble in the price. That is what this bigger the red on the top of the line tells. Okay, and if those also become green, if you see here, this is a very classic way that where people will clearly understand. On September 5th, around 1 o'clock, everything became green and a kind of almost 4. The price started to go. This thing went up the yellow line. It went all the way. In between, see, this was suddenly you get a red dot on the top. So it was indicating there is some leading indicator. There is saying it is some red candles is going to come. Okay. So then there are 4 red candles, but while all our components are fully green, then it showed that the market may turn in few. This above red dots is slightly a leading indicator. So that is why you are getting the red dot here, saying that okay, the market may see few red candles. But once the bottom it becomes red, then everything becomes red. The price is also below. Exactly here, if you see the prices become here, you start getting red dot, and price also went below the yellow line. So that is the reason. If we closely watch the setup chart and take positions accordingly, we will make reasonable profit. Not peri kallu, but reasonable profits. How many of you have made the trade today? It is in the tight range. It is hugging that yesterday's high line. Let us see. I think at some point it will again break out, and then the next jump from 180 to this thing will come. Nifty, then it will cross 182. That will take the option price to 241. That is our Nifty. But the option price is slightly getting weaker. So be ready, careful with it. It is trying to consolidate. I think profit booking must have taken place. Like me, so many people would know, okay, around 170 profit has to be booked. Yesterday's high, these are all known facts, correct? So those who have bought would have, a lot of people would have been booking. That is why Nifty also is stabilizing there. Your option price also stabilizing around 170, 175. Now if still a follow through buying comes, okay, if the follow through buying comes, then the next few candles will be above 832 and then Nifty will attempt for 934. That will propel the option price to 240, 235 or something like that. Okay.